Imagine a sea, not of water but of oranges. Millions upon millions of them, stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the reality of the world's largest orange farms, where the sheer scale of citrus production is truly awe-inspiring. We're talking about operations so vast that they resemble small cities, complete with their own infrastructure and workforce. These farms are not just agricultural powerhouses, they are marvels of modern agriculture. In this exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of these mega-farms. We'll discover how these operations function, from the planting of the trees to the delivery of juice to your table. Oranges, those juicy and vibrant symbols of sunshine, don't just happen. They are the result of a meticulous process that starts long before the fruit appears on the tree. They require a specific set of conditions to thrive. It's not just about planting a seed and waiting. Think sunshine, lots of it. Warm temperatures year-round are essential. Oranges need a climate that mimics their native tropical and subtropical environments. And soil that's just right, well-drained and nutrient-rich. The soil must be carefully prepared and maintained to provide the perfect balance of nutrients. These factors come together perfectly in regions like Brazil, Florida, and parts of China, where the world's largest orange farms are located. These areas have the ideal combination of climate and soil. In these places, the climate is ideal for cultivating these citrus gems on a massive scale. The consistent warmth and sunlight allow the trees to flourish, but sunshine and soil are just the start. The journey to 1 billion oranges involves much more. These enormous farms rely on sophisticated irrigation systems to ensure the trees receive adequate water. Water management is crucial, especially in regions where rainfall can be unpredictable. And then there's the delicate dance of fertilization and pest control, all carefully orchestrated to optimize yield and protect the precious fruit. Farmers must balance the use of fertilizers to nourish the trees while managing pests that can threaten the crop. Each orange you see is the result of countless hours of labor and expertise. From the moment the seed is planted to the day the fruit is harvested, every step is crucial. Once harvested, the oranges are sorted and packed with care, ready to be shipped around the world. This final step ensures that the oranges you enjoy are of the highest quality. The journey of an orange from farm to table is a testament to the dedication and hard work of countless individuals. It's a process that combines nature's gifts with human ingenuity. So the next time you bite into a juicy orange, remember the incredible journey it has taken to reach you. It's not just a fruit, it's a story of nature, science, and human effort coming together to create something truly special. The journey from the grove to your glass is a complex one, involving multiple stages and a symphony of machinery and manpower. It all starts with the harvest. Unlike many other fruits, oranges don't ripen all at once. This means multiple harvests throughout the season, with skilled workers carefully selecting only the ripest fruit. It's a labor-intensive process, but essential for ensuring the quality of the oranges. Once picked, the oranges begin their journey to the processing plant. Conveyor belts whisk them away, where they're washed, sorted, and graded with remarkable efficiency. The air hums with activity, a testament to the scale and speed of this well-oiled operation. While the image of workers hand-picking oranges might seem charmingly traditional, technology plays a crucial role in modern orange farming. These massive operations rely on cutting-edge equipment to streamline processes and maximize efficiency. Think GPS-guided tractors that precisely apply fertilizers and pesticides. Drones equipped with sensors monitor the health of the trees, identifying potential issues before they become major problems. And sophisticated sorting machines grade the fruit with incredible accuracy, ensuring only the best oranges make it to market. This embrace of technology is not just about boosting productivity, it's also about sustainability. By using resources more efficiently, these farms are reducing their environmental footprint and ensuring a future for orange production. Section 5. A mountain of citrus quantifying the harvest. The numbers associated with these mega farms are staggering. Imagine vast expanses of land, stretching as far as the eye can see, all dedicated to the cultivation of oranges. These farms are not just large, they are colossal, covering thousands of acres. We're talking about billions of oranges harvested each year, enough to circle the globe many times over. Each orange is carefully picked, sorted, and processed, ensuring that only the best quality fruit makes it to your table. It's hard to comprehend the sheer volume of fruit these farms produce. Picture an endless sea of orange with workers diligently picking fruit from dawn till dusk. The scale of these operations is truly mind-boggling. To put it into perspective, a single large farm can produce enough oranges in a year to fill hundreds of Olympic-sized swimming pools. That's a staggering amount of fruit, and it all has to be harvested, processed, and transported efficiently. That's a lot of orange juice. Imagine the countless glasses of fresh, tangy juice that come from these farms. Each sip is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers and workers who make it all possible. And when you consider the combined output of all these farms globally, the numbers become truly mind-boggling. The global orange industry is a massive network, with farms in different countries contributing to a worldwide supply chain. But it's not just about quantity. Quality is equally important. Each orange is inspected for ripeness, color, and size, ensuring that only the best fruit reaches consumers. This meticulous attention to detail is what sets these farms apart. These oranges are also a significant source of vitamin C and other essential nutrients, playing a vital role in global health and nutrition. From fresh fruit to juice and even supplements, oranges are a versatile and essential part of our diet. They help boost our immune system, improve skin health, and provide a refreshing burst of energy. Section 6. The human touch. Thousands of hands at work. While technology plays a crucial role in modern orange farming, the human element remains indispensable. These massive operations employ thousands of workers, from the fields to the processing plants. These individuals are the backbone of the industry, their hard work and dedication essential to bringing oranges from the grove to the global market. They are the ones who plant, nurture, harvest, and process the fruit, ensuring its quality and freshness. Their contributions often go unseen by the end consumer, but they are the unsung heroes of the orange juice you enjoy every morning. Section 7. From Brazil to your breakfast table. The global impact. The oranges grown on these mega farms have a truly global reach. They are shipped to all corners of the world, transformed into juice, concentrates, and flavorings that find their way into countless products. From your morning glass of orange juice to the tangy citrus notes in your favorite candy bar, the influence of these farms is pervasive. They play a critical role in the global food supply chain, providing a vital source of nutrition and flavor to millions. And as the demand for orange juice and other citrus products continues to grow, so too does the importance of these farms in meeting global needs. Section 8. The future of orange challenges and innovations. The world of orange farming, even at this massive scale, is not without its challenges. Climate change, with its unpredictable weather patterns, poses a constant threat. Pests and diseases, always evolving, require innovative solutions. But the industry is adapting. New, more resilient varieties of oranges are being developed. Precision agriculture techniques are being refined to optimize resource use and minimize environmental impact. And sustainable farming practices are being embraced to ensure the long-term viability of orange production. The future of orange farming is one of innovation and adaptation, driven by the need to feed a growing global population while protecting the planet. Section 9. A toast to the orange, a symbol of abundance. The orange, with its vibrant hue and refreshing taste, has long been a symbol of prosperity and health. Its journey from the grove to your table is a testament to the marvels of modern agriculture and the dedication of countless individuals. The next time you slice into a juicy orange, think about the meticulous care that went into growing it. Each orange is a product of months of nurturing, from the initial planting to the careful pruning and watering. Or savor a glass of freshly squeezed juice. Remember the hands that picked it, the machines that processed it, and the journey it undertook to reach you. This simple act of enjoying an orange connects you to a vast network of farmers, workers, and innovators. Take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to reach you. From the sun-drenched groves where each tree is carefully tended to ensure the best fruit, to the sophisticated processing plants where technology and tradition blend seamlessly to bring out the best in each orange, the story of the orange is one of scale, innovation, and dedication. It's a story that spans continents and generations, showcasing the interconnectedness of our global food system. The interconnectedness of our global food system is evident in the journey of the orange. From the moment it is harvested, it embarks on a journey that may take it across oceans and continents, ensuring that people around the world can enjoy its sweet, tangy flavor. These mega farms, with their billions of oranges, are not just agricultural marvels. They are the result of years of research, innovation, and hard work. They represent the pinnacle of what we can achieve when we combine nature's bounty with human ingenuity. These farms are not just agricultural marvels, they are a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness the bounty of nature. Each orange tree, each grove, is a symbol of the dedication and hard work of countless individuals. They are a testament to human ingenuity, showcasing the advanced machinery and techniques that have revolutionized agriculture. From automated picking equipment to state-of-the-art irrigation systems, every aspect of orange farming has been optimized for efficiency and quality, and our ability to harness the bounty of nature. The sunrise over an orange grove is a daily reminder of the endless possibilities that nature offers, and the farmers working together in the fields are a testament to the power of community and collaboration. So let's raise a glass to the humble orange, a fruit that embodies abundance, flavor, and the sweet rewards of hard work. Each sip of orange juice is a celebration of the journey from grove to glass, a journey that brings together people from all walks of life, a symbol of abundance, flavor, and the sweet rewards of hard work. The vibrant orange segments and the freshly harvested oranges in a basket are a visual testament to the beauty and bounty of nature, and the sweet rewards of hard work. The smiles of the farmers and the sight of an orange grove at sunset remind us of the joy and fulfillment that comes from nurturing and harvesting this incredible fruit.